In the previous video you saw that I got 3 gifts from my mom. 1 pack of flat brushes and 1 pack of round brushes plus a watercolor palette with 24 shades. So right now let's unbox them. So first I'll start by unboxing my flat brushes. My mom has got me 6 flat brushes. These are my flat brushes. I have many colors. And they're so soft. Now, I'll keep them back in. And now let's unbox the round brushes. If you want to know what flat brushes are for, flat brushes are brushes that are used to paint an area with a thick amount where we need to paint. These are my round brushes. I've got 6 round brushes and they are also in many colors. Wow, they're so soft too. I love these. There are many types of them. Thin, bigger, more bigger, and the biggest. Let's keep them back. Now for the movement you've been waiting for, the watercolor palette. Let's start by taking the tape off and then we'll cut through the plastic layer. They've packed it so nicely. This is the watercolor palette. It has got 24 colors in it and it's for students. I forgot to open the tape here. In this, you have got 24 color cakes plus a free brush. It's of red color and it's a round brush. It's also soft like the others. So for now, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!